Will WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter get banned in India? What about the livelihoods of small business owners, influencers, and content creators on all of these platforms? If you are curious too, then watch this video till the end and अच्छा लगा तो शेयर करो। 25th of Feb को हमारे इंडियन गवर्नमेंट ने एक नया IT रूल रिलीज किया। Nonetheless, these rules were very controversial because it would change the way internet and social media was consumed in India in such a way that government को आपके हर एक virtual activity के बारे में खबर होती। Now, this is done by the government to ensure that they have one, more control over these foreign apps, and two, to ensure that there is no insensitive, negative or violent content that is being posted on any of these apps via anybody. So companies like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram and WhatsApp were given a 3-month deadline from 25th of February till the 26th of May to comply by these new rules of the government, or else they'll have to face severe consequences and potentially a ban. Well, as per this new IT Act clause, all these social media companies, by terming them social intermediaries. So let's understand this better. When you use social media platforms to create content, exchange messages or engage with these content, ट्विटर, इंस्टाग्राम या फेसबुक जैसे एप्स ये कंटेंट को बस होस्ट करते हैं, इसलिए दे आर कॉल्ड एज इंटरमीडियरी. सो एनी ऑफेंसिव पोस्ट और एनी पोस्ट डायरेक्टेड टुवर्ड्स द गवर्नमेंट मस्ट बी टेकन डाउन within 24 hours. Not just that, if required, social media apps will have to disclose the originator of all these messages or content if inquired by the court. Also, data is the new oil. It takes a lot of time to extract it, but once it starts flowing, it can potentially run the world. But now, one more rule which has been told to all these apps to follow is that the data retention period of all these apps must not be more than 6 months. While there are other rules, these were some of the most highlighted rules everyone is worried about or everyone is talking about. As we speak, or by the time I record this video, there have been more updates to this. Now, one of that is WhatsApp has gone ahead and sued the Indian government, stating that if they comply to the new rules set by the government, it would mean an end to their users' data privacy and ultimately a drop in their user base on their particular platform. I understand that this is a major reason for concern for most of us, but let's look at it the other way, just to be fair on both ends. So once there was a criminal who was caught in US wherein his phone contained a lot of potential information of the crimes that was being planned, but for some reason they could not unlock the phone, and that was an iPhone. So hence the US government and FBI reached out to Apple asking them to unlock it. But since Apple has the most secure privacy compliance with their users, and its iPhones and all Apple devices are considered to be one of the most secure devices, so Apple rejected that. Think about it. So Apple is right on its own ways, but at the same time, here we are talking about a potential criminal who could cause a threat on a national level. So yeah, it's a 50-50 thing. So मेरे लिए ऐसा है कि ये काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग सिनेरियो है, एंड एट द सेम टाइम काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग स्टेप हो सकता है बाय द गवर्नमेंट, बट इट ultimately turns out to be how things are being implemented with the least of damages to the end users. It's a call that we'll have to wait and watch. So thank you so much for watching. If you found this video insightful, then share it with your friends and family. और अगर अच्छा लगा तो सब्सक्राइब कर दो इस चैनल को. Until then, I'll see you on the next video. Stay tuned. Cheers.